Hello and welcome to yet another video. So in this video we'll one more time address the issue when the Flare network will actually launch. So nobody can tell. The thing here is that basically they don't want to launch it early, since as we know, so now it's very easy for them to apply changes, but as soon as the Flare network goes live, the governance is completely different. So meaning that they won't be able to immediately impose changes, and that's why they want to get it right at the start. I will link it here. There is basically a Kanban board where you can see the progress on the single issue. So an issue is called basically also a ticket here. So you can see here what they're currently working on, and you can also see that there are lots of tickets still on the board. So I do expect, I don't know if it's actually true, but I do expect that the Flare network will launch after they're done with the current sprint. So I can know that, so since maybe they just ignore that and can launch anyway. But that's something I just assume here. So my expectation is that it will launch at the end of July, so that it will take probably 2 to 3 more weeks here, and it will all need to have patience. I know that that some people were expecting it already in April because it wasn't in the. But yeah, we all have to anticipate and just chill a little bit. I also will soon make a new video because I was able to start the Flare network locally, so to test it out locally. I will also make a video about that, so you can see here that's right now starting the Flare network locally. And I will also make a video on that, how it works. So this will be my next video. But I still, again, want to address it here because I see that many people are angry, that many people want it to launch now, today, and have to, well, be patient here. And yeah, when it happens, it happens. So again, just expect the end of July or something like that. Again, I can't know that. I'm just assuming here based on the amount of tickets we've got here. So again, we've got 3 in the doing lane. We've got some more tickets. So as you can see here, we've got here 5 tickets. So 5 tickets regarding the contracts here in the doing lane. So I meant in the to-do lane. So you can see here to do. So Litecoin, so the state connector, right? So it's just basically many changes to state connector. So you can also, so as you can see here, the Lightning not Lightning network, the Flare network is here starting right now, and I will show you a video how we can do that and how we can interact with the Flare network and also test out the features. So the last thing I will address is I finally got a new microphone, so I hope that my voice is now much clearer and that it's more pleasant to hear. And right, so that's basically it for this video. So see you in the next one. And yeah, again, I can just repeat that everybody just be a little patient. Anger doesn't solve anything. We'll just have, like I said, have to wait a little bit. We'll be soon, well, we will be able to soon, well, test out Flare network and get our airdrop. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.